Mad, I mean, say, yo, you don't know an all dance.
Yeah, me I say, no, you don't know, say a young flex.
You don't know Juvenile, Jay Shavish.
Hey, it's your girl Stishira against Newborn.
If you know, say a show time representing
The Upnlive show.
Upnlive show.
Upnlive show.
On the UpNlive show.
The Upnlive show.
Loud and brawling.
You get new fitting. If you're not on a show, yeah, you're not on a show. And you see if you not like that,
Which is right. This is the Upnlive show, people. If you just joined us for the first time, we brought to you here right from London City on behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Dragon All-Star, Fire Q, Liquor Brown Rasta, World Mag Entertainment. We bring to you the Upnlive show. And this evening we have a very, very special guest. The baddest lady she's in the building right now. And her name says it all. She's throwing a tantrum right here in the CGM studios. How you doing today?
Hi, I'm okay.
You look. When I saw you on Instagram, I was a bit nervous, because I thought you were gonna be like them bad diva, them feisty ones. But you're a nice girl. Yeah, I like it. You're a nice lady.
Yeah.
You're more calm presence.
I'm polite.
Yeah, that's
quiet,
it.
innit?
Yeah. So what's up? What's good for you though?
I mean, a lot of things at the moment. So I don't know. You have to specify. What do you want to talk about?
Tell me whatever it's open. This is the Upnlive show. Dragon is here.
Like,
Fire Q.
on this show you can come and talk your business. Just spill the beans. You know the thing goes. Spill the
Firstly,
beans.
I want to say thanks for having me on.
It's a blessing.
And right now I've got my EP out. It's called Coldest Winter.
Yep.
Jesus Christ, are you turn on the weather?
Yeah, I'm telling you. I wish I didn't.
Maybe it's you cause it's snow now.
I know,
What's going on
right?
for that?
But yeah, Coldest Winter, it's a 8-track EP. It's out now on Spotify, Tidal, iTunes, Apple, all the platforms. Stream it. And right now I'm just promoting it. I'm doing my radio tour.
Yeah.
And I'm doing like a video biography
Yeah.
of the whole EP.
But that's good. That's something different. That's different
so it's busy, it's hectic, and I'm just pushing right now. So yeah, that's me.
So for everybody that's watching now and listening at home, I've never seen Tantrum. Can you just explain what kind of artist are you? A singer?
Okay,
MC?
I'm a rapper, I would say. I like to mess with melodies, but I wouldn't class myself as a singer.
Okay.
I'm Caribbean. There's a level to say you're a singer.
Yeah, but
I think I just make little melodies there, here and there. And it's nice. It's nice.
You can popcorn it out, you know?
Yeah, exactly. But I don't feel like I'm a singer.
I hear say you're Caribbean. You are Jamaican or one of the other Caribbean islands?
Yeah, I'm Jamaican.
You're Jamaican, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
girl?
No, quiet. Yo, she quiet.
You're quiet for your yard still, man. I
Yeah.
lie.
Yeah, but you're not feeling loud. That's
No, what you
stereotype.
trying to
it's
say?
not,
All the
it's
way
not
loud?
loud, no.
It's not loud, but you don't know, like,
Don't get it twisted.
When yard man a braff, we
Jamaican,
braff.
like an entertainer, you're an artist, I'm not like, me pretty thing on Instagram and you're bad.
Ah, thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah.
Different.
When you pre Instagram to now,
Yeah.
would come like me in a sense still, you know?
Exactly.
She
And
sets
everything a hype. You make the product hype itself.
Yeah.
Because when me play music, people are say, no man, I can't do that with them, I just
Yeah,
talk to
yeah.
her just a while ago. You know what I mean?
Because
So,
Fire Q gets
I understand.
get a bit rowdy when he plays, but when you see him in a person, he's Zach. He's not
Yeah.
Fire Q, he's Zach.
Yeah.
Oh,
Put it
Jesus.
away there.
So for you and the music, were you born, you say you're Jamaican, but are you here from a young age or you just resided in the UK?
Yeah, I would say I was here from a young age.
No, okay.
I wasn't born here though.
Okay.
And music is something that I think every Caribbean has from a young age.
Yeah.
It's around you. It's your environment.
Inborn thing, innit?
Yeah, exactly. So I just took it up, and I've been performing for a long time. So it's like second nature to me. So
Yeah,
I've been doing
so-
the rap for a very, very long time.
So my question, out of all of the genre, why rap?
I don't know. I like it better. I express myself better here. I listen to a lot of Biggie, a lot of Kim.
Yeah.
You know, it's from them. I'm from that kind of era. I'm still adjusting to the era now, which is, I think it influences how I sound. I don't feel like my sound is like the sound now.
The wicked hook. wicked hook.
No, yo,
Hit
she
up.
bad me.
Yeah, I
'Cause-
listen to
yeah.
some of the tracks on YouTube and it's quite interesting. It's different varieties as well.
Yeah.
And I myself, I can see the growth from when you started, from back in the days, a couple of years ago, comparing to the video that the last one that you did.
Sweating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's quite a contrast. It's kind of the similar, but you can see that there's growth.
Yeah.
You can definitely see that there's growth.
And I've done everything myself.
You see it?
Yeah.
So,
I do. I have the vision for what I want to be. So I've done most of it myself, and now I'm collaborating with Marita Music.
Okay,
I've got my own label,
Yeah.
that's good.
and we've come together as a collective to push out this project, Coldest Winter, and it's going brilliant. I can't ask for any more. I'm so thankful right now. Like, it's doing a lot in the scene right now, but when the time comes, all of that will come out, you know?
But it must be challenging, especially in the UK, with for being a female here, because if you look into rap music, particular, or even drill music or grime, the female MCs, they have to be like aggressive to. Not saying not everyone, but the most ones that made it popular, and they're like Miss Dynamite and so on, they're a bit more out there, so to speak.
Yeah.
So, Miss Banks is doing well, if you know Miss Banks.
Yeah.
But she's kind of like you in a sense, because she's quiet when you're talking to her. She's very quiet, but when she takes the mic up, she's a different persona. So maybe it works. I'm just
Yeah, well, it's really what it is. You're in a game, and the sport is competitive, and you can't just be in a game and limit yourself to competing with your own sex.
Yeah.
Firstly, we only make up like 3 to 5% of the game. Do you know what I mean?
True.
So that can't be your competition.
you can't.
Your competition is the rest of the percentage,
Yeah.
and they're very aggressive and they're very hungry.
They're very hungry.
So if they're allowed to be that way, so can we, because it's the same game. It's a lyrical battle. It's who is the mic controller, and I don't know. I just come from that kind of environment, because when I came here, I got introduced to grime, so I started on grime, and grime is very energetic. It's very aggressive, and so I just have that aura for it, to be honest.
Who's your favorite UK female?
Right now, it's a hard one.
It's a hard
myself.
Well,
And if I'm not giving it to myself, I'll give it to Nole.
I like that still.
Yeah,
I like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yeah, I'll give it to Nole if I'm not saying myself.
okay.
Why? Because she carries that aggression. You know, we don't execute the same, but
Yeah, she's
I rate her lyrically. She's doing her thing.
yeah, she's quite different from because your how you deliver is quite different from.
Yeah,
from
because
her as
she's
well.
more like, she's like that grime rap.
Yeah,
She has that execution, and I'm just that rap, that deep rap. Do you know what I mean? Because this EP doesn't define me, you know. This EP is just giving flavors.
yeah.
So
Makes sense.
you can't.
But that's what
Yeah.
music is. The music depicts where you are in life at the moment. So sometimes you may be going through a particular phase of life. So songs may tell that story. Otherwise, you may be having a nice and jolly time. So you're going to be doing songs. So I think EPs are basically painting a picture of a moment of time where somebody is at their career. It doesn't necessarily tell the whole story.
Yeah, exactly.
So I understand when you say that it's not definite, but it's just what you like to express now.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, we're looking for how many tracks you said was going to be on the EP?
It's 8. It's already out. Yeah, it's 8 tracks on the EP.
Okay, lovely. And we definitely would like to play some of the EP tracks right here. But we try and look at my DJ right now, and I see him looking like he's going to play something. Are you going to play? We have something for you, or you're skipping?
Listen, you know the rules already.
Yeah.
I think
You know the
I'm
rules.
ready for this.
It's all about the UpNlive show. So this is the part where you can put down your best game.
Okay.
Put down your best. Yeah.
Freestyle.
You know it go?
He's switching it up.
Yeah,
There
so
you go.
I want to see your versatility.
I don't know
So
about that, but all right, let's go. What we did?
let me see what I go on now.
Okay, you go there, sir. All right.
Is this bashment?
We don't know. Let's go.
Maybe my tempo, you know?
It's a bit tricky. It's a bit tricky.
I'll turn it up for.
It's a bit tricky.
It also got better.
Yeah. Still a bit.
Okay, listen what we're gonna do. Stop it, Jackals. Stop it, Jackals. That's what we're gonna do, yeah? We normally do it this way. Any random beat, you just have a drop on it. But we're feeling kind of good today. It's snowing outside.
Yeah.
It's a bit wet and rainy, so we're gonna flip things, alright?
Yeah, I'll flip things again.
We're
One
gonna
more
flip
try,
some.
yeah?
One more go. She's moving now. We're on track. People, this is Tantrum live up in the building. TGM Radio, UpNlive show.
Back to back, you know I flow that. That molten lava be spreading out your M&Ms. They ain't potent, they ain't hard and irrelevant. So to every resident that's settled in the premises. What? It's the president. No, this ain't Obama, the llama will peel your menolin. No, they ain't a baller, Diablo will level them.
Okay, listen, stop. Hold up.
Cause I can't swear.
No, listen.
No.
Yes,
You
God.
have to do the bleep.
Listen,
Yeah.
listen. We're gonna give you a license to swear today, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, let's let it flow.
Okay.
All right, let's go again.
Yeah. UpNlive show. Listen.
KK on the beats.
Back to back, you know I flow that fucking sediment. That molten lava shit be spreading out your M&Ms. They ain't potent, they ain't hard and irrelevant. So to every resident that's settled in the premises. What, nigga, keep it peddling. No, this ain't Obama, the llama will peel your menolin. No, they ain't a baller, Diablo will lever them. Sick of all they drama, Kabbalah, and bring the devil in. Screw. Keep it peddling. No, with E17 with my gentleman. Yeah, I fucking cop that fucking shotty for your genitals. Shout out my nigga Gio Sagi like he never left.
I see you
No,
going
leave it. These mans know I be peddling. Some mad about bars, that's like calling the devil in. Mans are moving white like devil in. But God knows I'm trying to break right, so I'm keeping it peddling. Deep in heat, they can't meddle in. So straight from the heat, I think everybody knows that I'm meddling. Out for gold like a medalist. Flow is cold and unsettling. These mans are shit in the game on squats, but now I'm bulldozer leveling. Thought they was bad to the bone, now cold shoulder getting them. Solid like rock, now they overdosing on, yeah.
People, make some noise out of Tantrum, people. Freestyle right here in UpNlive show. Big respect.
Calm.
Yeah,
I ain't
know.
done that in ages.
Yeah, she's not used to the freestyle thing. It's not really her thing. Nah. It's more like a studio girl, isn't it?
Well, it's more like whatever I'm promoting. I don't really fling bars on anything. Because how I make tracks, those specific bars is for that specific track. Even if it's going to be a freestyle,
Yeah.
I always marinate with the beat.
Okay.
Yeah, I used to do that when I did grime, but this ain't grime. This is a product.
Okay, that makes sense.
True.
Yeah.
That makes sense. I said the new project is out. It's the brand new EP is out right now. And what's the EP called again?
It's called Coldest Winter. Look out for that. Look out for my video Code coming out as well.
The
Dropping
video is called
soon.
Cold, yeah? And
Yeah.
do you have a date for it?
Yeah, it's the 13th of Feb.
13th of February. So it's almost Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Is it a love or a hate song?
It's neither. Straight war.
It's like war. Sound like a little bit of beef are going on. You have,
Yeah.
what's cooking?
Beef is in the air.
There ain't no beef. I'm an alpha kind of person.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I just like to dominate. So I'm just coming to set level, set pace.
Okay, I can see that.
Raise the bar.
Raise the bar for 2019.
Yeah, exactly.
Definitely. And we're going to be seeing great things for Tantrum for 2019. And yeah, I see that little makeup tutorial that you did with our great friend.
Blush.
Sydney Blush.
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw what popped in your mind then when you were doing that. What happened there? Cause
And Blush is just, she would just say like, do something so I can post. I just do something for her to post, really.
Yeah.
But it's always something that I want to promote at the same time.
Okay.
It's not just,
yeah. So it's everything is calculated, yeah?
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
Wicked.
Yeah.
Any last words before we go?
Catch me on the socials, Tantrum Artist. That's Twitter, Instagram. Remember to stream the tape. The link's in my bio. Coldest Winter. It's out now. Look out for the video Code on the 13th of Feb. It's coming out on my Vivo. Yeah.
Okay, definitely. People, make sure you go out there and subscribe to our Vivo channel.
Yes, please.
In Instagram, as you say, the Instagram is Tantrum, Tantrum.
Artist, yeah.
Artist, lovely. And also Spotify, iTunes and all that, all right?
Yeah.
People, keep it locked. This is the UpNlive show on behalf of World Mag Entertainment, myself, DJ Rick. Fire Q, what's good?
Right over there.